In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Where Winds Meet Mobile BlueStacks 5. By the end, you'll have the game running smoothly on your PC with optimized settings and custom controls, plus fixes for the most common issues people run into. First, let's get BlueStacks 5 installed. Head to the official BlueStacks website so you know you're downloading the legitimate installer. Click the button to download BlueStacks 5, then open the installer file once it finishes. Choose Install Now and give it a moment to complete. The installer will handle everything in the background and place a shortcut on your desktop. When it's done, launch BlueStacks so we can set up the best environment for this game. Where Winds Meet Mobile runs better on an Android 11 instance inside BlueStacks, so we'll create one specifically for it. In BlueStacks, look to the right sidebar and click the Multi-Instance Manager icon. Click Instance, then choose Fresh Instance. When you're prompted to pick an Android version, select Android 11 and click Next. BlueStacks will ask how much CPU and RAM to allocate. Set the CPU to 4 cores and give it between 4 and 8 gigabytes of RAM depending on your system. If you have the memory available, leaning toward 8 gigabytes helps with stability and smoother loading. Click Create, wait for the instance to build, and then launch the new Android 11 instance from the manager. Now sign into Google Play so you can access the store. Open the Android 11 instance you just made, launch the Play Store, and sign in with your Google account. Keep your login details secure and only enter them in the Play Store prompt inside BlueStacks. With the Play Store ready, search for Where Winds Meet. If the game appears for your region, click Install and let the download complete before launching. If you don't see it due to regional availability, you can install it by APK instead. Download the APK from a trusted, reputable APK website, then simply drag the APK file from your desktop into the BlueStacks window. BlueStacks will install it automatically, and you'll see the app icon appear when it's done. Next, let's tune BlueStacks for smoother gameplay. Click the gear icon to open settings and go to the Performance tab. Set performance mode to high performance and set FPS to 60 for a responsive experience. Then move to the Graphics tab. Set the graphics renderer to Vulkan, which typically offers better performance and fewer stutters in this title. If you experience crashes with Vulkan, switch to OpenGL and test again. Keep Interface Renderer on auto to let BlueStacks choose the best path for your system. Save your changes and restart BlueStacks so the new settings fully apply. After that, set up your keyboard and mouse controls. Launch the game, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open the controls editor. Drag movement controls onto the game's movement area and assign W, A, S, and D for movement, your mouse for camera control, and space for jump or dodge. Align each control where it matches the on-screen buttons, then save your layout. You can come back to this editor anytime to tweak sensitivity or add additional keys as you learn the combat and traversal. If you run into problems, here are quick fixes. If the game crashes on startup, switch the graphics renderer between Vulkan and OpenGL. Make sure you're using the Android 11 instance and update BlueStacks to the latest version. If you see a black screen, enable the Use Dedicated GPU option in the BlueStacks graphics settings and update your GPU drivers from the manufacturer's software. For lag or FPS drops, increase the RAM allocation for your Android 11 instance. Close unnecessary background apps on your PC, and ensure hardware virtualization is enabled in your BIOS for better emulation performance. If you get a device not supported message, double check that you launched the Android 11 instance and that BlueStacks is fully up to date. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be exploring Where Winds Meet Mobile on your PC with smooth performance and controls that feel great. Enjoy the game, and I'll see you in the next one.